Let's talk about Jamaica, or better yet, make we talk about Jamaica. As known to the world, Jamaica is one of Earth's most beautiful countries as far as landscape goes, and could be discussed to amaze adventurers and bucket list tourists in more than a million ways. And it is true, no Photoshop edits and no hidden disclaimers are to its advertised beauty. Jamaica is simply a natural, beautiful place. But Jamaica is equally ugly among its inhabitants. This beautiful gem has been suffering for years from the gridlock of corruption. For a country which is one of the world's most desired and go-to tourist destination, raking in millions of dollars annually, most of its residing residents continue to live below poverty line, resulting in frustration, aggression, and often rendered to crime and violence as solutions. Still, this ugly nature within the island has never been successful in dimming the light of beauty which this country is made up of. Warmth, kindness, and friendly smiles remain unmoved from the faces of the majority. Jamaicans who are proud to call this island the land of my birth, or simply home. Let's talk about Jamaica, its history, its current affairs, its culture, its changes. Like we talk about Jamaica because I feel a place, whether we are there or temporarily living abroad. Let's discuss every little issue as means of making our opinions heard, as an influence of direction. Like we talk about Jamaica to show that we care. It's simple. I talk about an issue, you agree or disagree. Come in to start a reasoning, because each one teach one. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, peace.